That's why I'm here today. I have done a long, long way to be with you just the same. Dear Carl, have a good celebration. I can see you 'cause I'm blind, but I can feel a warm, warm wine. You're a good man, you're so kind, and we want to say to you by singing. In the south border of France, in the north border of Spain, we are the kings of our good dance. We are the crazy Catalans. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I live the life with you. Funny things and crazy too. Like that show was in Berlin. Seeing all cars surrounded by many people. You want me to be alone. Keep your wallet on your chest. But if chose to stole to you, he must know that you had a big, big, big bus. But you didn't change your mood, and we looked for drink and food. We toasted the fancy place with custard and champagne. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 75 years had a lot of days. A lot of pretty stories that define you well. Hey, you're a real restless man, working even on weekends, on a train or in a plane. The world is not so big for you, my friend. Ventilating the whole world and refreshing the North Pole. All your fans making a queue. When I ride a million times to Dublin, you can feel proud of yourself. Look around to all this crew. All of them are here for you, living on there as you do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, fucking birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Dear Carl, have a good celebration. We love you all. Now we want everybody to sing. Come on.
We love you. We love you, Carl. We are here all together for you. We love you. Have a good celebration.